Hey guys, welcome back to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. I've got a short video today, but it's very unique. I'm going to show you a cool piece of software. It's an AI technology that can convert voices from one to another. Let's get right into this. But before we do, if you like my videos and you're enjoying my stuff, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date. Now let's get into altering voices with AI. Hey everyone, so here it is, Lalas. As I said, a friend showed this to me, and I haven't really got to use it too much. I did try it once, but today we're going to put it to the test. I've got a vocal sample that I'm using in a track, and I'm going to be submitting this to some big labels, and I don't necessarily want to submit it with the vocal sample. Although this label, which I can't really say who it is in the game of clearing samples. Typically, I am going to try to get this done sample free. So let's check this thing out. As you can see, there's a lot of different voices here, from Drake to Ed Sheeran, Ariana Grande, Beyonce, and you can see a lot more. Now, I don't have the full-blown pro version. I do have a paid version, but there is a pro version where you can get like Dua Lipa, you know, if you see the pro button here. But it's got a lot of voices we can try. So let's pick one. Let's pick Beyonce here. And I am going to drag some audio in. So I just took a little piece. You can't have this really long acapella, but this was the vocal I used was just a piece looping and chopped up. So I just took a piece of the vocal, exported it nice and dry, took off all the effects. And as you can see now, it's taking the vocal sample that I had and converting it into Beyonce's voice. Now, you can use these in your productions if you pay for a pro version. They give you a commercial license. I don't know how it's going to fare down the road, but interestingly enough, it might be worth a shot. Okay, let's see how it did.
Toss it up, pick it up, toss it up, pick it up. Toss it up, pick it up.
So it didn't do a great job. It changed the words. The words were push it up, pick it up.
Toss it up, pick it up.
And it picked up the pick it up at the end.
Toss it up, pick it up, toss it up.
But the push, it doesn't seem to be catching that. Now, there were some delays in the vocal. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a clean, full, dry vocal. That's just how it was. Let's try another one here, though. Let's try, I want someone a little soulful. There's lots of vocalists in here, though. Whitney Houston might be good. She's a pro version. Might have to pay for that. Christina Aguilera. You know, they've got quite a lot of celebrities in here that you can use in your productions. Getting into some political figures. I'm not seeing a ton of old school singers or people that I want to, so I might have to go for someone more new. You can see samples here. I don't want to get a copyright strike in case those are real songs. And then it looks like we're going into some anime character. So let's go back up and let's try Ariana Grande. And let's drop this in. Takes a little while.
dust it up, kick it up, dust it up, kick it up.
That one's better. And in retrospect, you know what I'll probably do is just take one word instead of having the loop over and over. I'll just take one phrase of each phrase and then make a custom file so it can hear it clean. And I will probably try that next. But this is a cool tool, and I thought I'd share it with all of you. I didn't see a lot about this on YouTube yet, so thank you, Hang Time. I'll leave you a link to his music down below so you can check him out. He's got some cool tunes, and I do all of his mastering now. And that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. The bell notification will keep you up to date. And if you have any other questions or concerns or comments, drop me one down below. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and have a great day.